As a developer, you probably have a lot of side projects. Or maybe you work in PHP, drive your Lamborghini while laughing at us, JavaScript devs, for learning a new framework each week. Well, no matter what, this video is for people with side projects. According to Firebase.io, PocketBase is the best backend replacement for those side projects. So today, we will deploy it to production on Fly.io. But first, a quick recap. PocketBase is a super straightforward backend platform that can support up to 10,000 concurrent connections on a small server that should cost you at a maximum of $6 or $10 per month. This is great because by skipping on one latte, you can fund your infrastructure for your side project. PocketBase will have similar functionality to Supabase, Firebase, but in general, it is much simpler to use. You have a little bit less feature, but you gain a lot when it comes to simplifying DevOps and operations. But enough talking, let's see how you can host PocketBase on Fly.io. The first thing to note is that Fly.io works really well with a Docker file. So to get started, I will create a new folder, and inside that folder, I will create my Docker file. This one is going to be really simple. I will just download and unzip PocketBase, then I will expose port 8080 and run the executable on that port. The next step will be to build our Docker container, tagging it with the name of PocketBase, because why would I bother naming that anything else? Right after this is done, I will proceed to run it locally and expose the port. This will execute the run command, and once everything is done, just open up the admin URL just to make sure everything is working well. But this is just local. With this done, I will proceed and actually deploy this thing. I will create a Fly application, which I will do by calling the Fly launch command. I will give our application a name, but this is a place where you don't want to deploy it just yet, so I will say no to the last part. This is because we need a volume for persisting the data of the database. Creating a volume will be done by using the Fly volumes create command and making sure we deploy to the same region, which in my case is Miami, Florida. Once you are done, open up the fly.toml file that was created by the CLI and make sure that you mount the volume by adding it to the end of your file. Once this is done, call once again the Fly launch command and proceed to actually deploy the application. This should take up to, I would say, 1 minute or two, and at the end, you will be able to go to the admin link, which is the fly.dev preceded with the name of your deployment, and at the end, you add an underscore, which is just the PocketBase admin deployment. Hopefully this works for you, and in under 3 minutes, you now have a running PocketBase backend replacement with which you can code your next side project without having to pay Google or AWS for hosting your stuff. I hope this was great and fun for you, so please subscribe if you want more quick tutorials like this.